Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert clickable link in Instagram bio. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on edit profile. Once you are here, you simply need to click on website option and put any link here. So I'm going to put www.facebook.com for an example, and then you need to click on the tick mark in the top right, and here you can see that clickable link is add in my Instagram bio. So this is the process by which you can add clickable link in Instagram bio. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.